is the camshaft sensor. Camshaft sensor here. So that's why it has no signal.
Camshaft sensor.
It's a camshaft sensor. It's work.
Oh, can we change this now?
Hmm.
Can we change?
You need the parts, yeah. We really need the parts. See. The car computer doesn't know when to deliver the fire. Like, doesn't know when is the timing to deliver spark or releasing fuel.
Okay.
Because the camshaft sensor is fuck, sira.
Camshaft position sensor.
Yeah, bank one.
So what's the part's name? I can buy it. I can order it.
Camshaft.
Camshaft, yeah.
No, camshaft.
Cam, CL.
Yeah, not crank. Crank is different. Crank is from the down side. This one is
Camshaft.
the upper side. Yeah, camshaft. Yeah.
Okay. Is it a big one or small one?
Oh, no.
Does it take a long labor or
What?
does it take a long labor?
Take a picture on that one, and you will buy that one. Okay.
Okay.
Take picture on that.
Okay.
Just a little reminder, we're going to, I just need to,
Take a picture on the.
Okay, I'll take it.
Yeah.
So if I get it, can you do it on?
Yeah.
Penalty free.
Get the camshaft first, and then you text me when you're ready. Okay.
I can get it tomorrow. I can buy it from Thala.
Yeah.
Thala Auto Parts, yeah, no Thala
Yeah.
Auto Parts. No, in
Yep.
7, yeah?
Another. That's the cheapest one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Another thing.
Mm-hmm.
If we change the camshaft sensor, and if it doesn't work again,
Okay.
then I'm afraid that the timing chain, because
Timing
this is
chain.
timing chain.
Timing chain.
Yeah,
Okay.
the timing chain is worn.
Oh, like okay. Okay.
Like if it is worn, so it's a problem again. You need to change the timing chain
Timing chain inside, yeah?
inside here. Yeah, inside. Timing chain is here.
So I need to buy the timing chain also.
No.
No. If it is working, not working, you try.
Yeah.
Papa, just a
Take
little
the camshaft
reminder,
sensor
Amma
first,
said that, and
and then we will take the timing.
Okay.
If the timing is good, that will start.
Like that.
If it is out of timing,
You change it. Yeah.
then it won't start.
So what
Okay.
I do 2 parts or 1 parts?
No, camshaft only. You buy camshaft sensor only,
Papa, just a little
because that is what in here on the computer result. So that's only one.
Okay.
It appears to be 2 results, but that's only one.
Okay.
See, bank one. It's just repeating, you know.
Okay.
So, text me when you're ready, okay?
Oh, like okay. Yeah.
reminder.
So mga kaibigan, kaya ayaw mag-start yung engine dahil yung camshaft, no? Sensor is bumigay or sira or dirty or whatever. Inisprehan natin ng something like fluid, or in order to determine whether or not the pump is fuel pump, but it's not.
I
So
buy
it's
tomorrow. Are you free Thursday?
Thursday after work, I'm here. Okay.
Yeah, no problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, key will be here. You can work anytime. I will be here.
Yeah.
Solid. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. No problem, yeah. So it's the camshaft sensor, mga kaibigan, ang sira. Kaya hindi mag-start yung engine. So i-check na to ang fuse. Ang fuse is okay. They're all good. But the problem is when we plug in the diagnostic, found out that the camshaft sensor is camshaft sensor problem. So that's why the engine doesn't hurt. The battery is in good form. Lakas yung battery. Redondo, malakas. Ang ano lang talaga, camshaft sensor. So bihira lang masira itong mga camshaft sensor. Actually they are what is this? They are designed to be a lifetime, no? Lifetime. But sometimes it will not work if the sensor is dirty. It doesn't pick up signal. So kung mapalitan na natin yung camshaft sensor, and then may kabit na natin, and then hindi pa mag-start, the worst scenario is we have to check the engine. We have to check the timing chain. The timing we have to check. That's the worst scenario. Because normally pagka ang sasakyan or ang engine mag-develop na og what is this, signal na camshaft sensor ang problema, I'm afraid nga it pertains about the timing. So whether or not the timing is in good or is in bad form, ang mga sasakyan kasi guys na mga chain drive or mga timing chain, masilan sa oil. So ang maabiso ko lang sa inyo, kailangan nyo talagang magpa-change oil, magpa-service. More or less 6 months, maximum 1 year service. Kay ang chain manggod, timing chain, dali ra madaot, no? Dali ra siya ma-worn out pagka ang oil is dirty. Kay wala naman siya wala may lubrication. So dali ra masira ang chain, timing chain. So kinahanglan magpa-service ta, magpa-change tag oil, etc. Ang usap po na hugaw na ang imong engine, hugaw na ang imong oil, mao po na usa nga mahimong mahugaw po na imong sensor, either ang crankshaft sensor or ang camshaft sensor. So og usa pa pod, og hugaw na ang oil, mahimo ning magbukol-bukol kini, dayon mahimong kuan, og nakasulay mo ka na magprito og isda, ingon ana pod ang oil naay mga sludge, no? Og kini mga sludge sa mga dirty oil, kay madugay na change oil ang slots, mao ni mo bara sa mga oil passage ngadto sa internal parts sa engine. Kung mubara ni sa oil passage niya, mahimong mahimong wear and tear, no, ang internal parts, kay wala na may makasulod nga lubrication, oil lubrication, kay tungod kay ang oil passage na barahan. So pagka nabarahan, so bad na talaga. So para malikayan mga kaibigan, message nyo ako, PM nyo ako. Normally hindi ko kayo ma-entertain pagka tumatawag kayo, kasi I'm not on the phone all the time because I'm working as well, and then my phone I have to leave it on the locker while working tayo. So text lang kayo or message via Facebook page ako. So ganun lang mga kaibigan. Again, rescue sana ito, rescue, kaso hindi natin na rescue dahil hindi natin na pagana yung kanyang sasakyan or kanyang makina, dahil ang findings natin is findings sa computer diagnostics is yung camshaft sensor, no? So it needs parts. Obviously it needs the parts. So hindi natin napagana yung makina or kanyang sasakyan. More or less babalik tayo bukas the same time para maikabit yung kanyang sensor, camshaft sensor. So again, ang worst scenario pagka mga camshaft sensor na ang lumabas is the timing chain, timing, whether or not nasira yung timing or na out of timing na siya dahil worn out na nga itong mga links ng timing chain. Pagka ma-worn out ng timing chain, so ang firing system niya, firing timing is hindi na accurate. So whether or not advanced or retired, so yun ang problema. I-check natin yung kanang timing in the future, kung on the spot pa ba yung kanyang timing. So yun lang mga kaibigan. Rescue ito, rescue gandrong kay wala na to mapandar kay wala tay visa. Okay, thank you, God bless. Mauli na ta. Ako lang ipakita sa inyo ang kuan na karsada diri sa Ireland. Nagkasada diri sa Ireland, pauli ta sa atong base, no? So yun, about mga 20 minutes pa ta maabot. Kaya layo pa niya ning Greystones biyahe, layo ni. So wala kay traffic karon, ating pamauli na mga tao, wala kay traffic. So yun, ato na ning naglubat na ni cellphone na to. So ato na ning palungo, no? Switch off na nato ning kuan, glubat na, no? Padong glubat. paulit na ta. Thank you mga kaibigan.